Meaning of frontbencher.
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 Frontbencher. Frontbencher is a term used in politics to describe a senior member of a parliamentary opposition party or government who sits on the front benches of the House during debates and other parliamentary proceedings. These individuals are usually leaders or senior members of their respective parties and have significant influence over policy decisions and political strategy. Frontbenchers are responsible for representing their parties in constituencies in Parliament, engaging in debate on key issues, and scrutinizing government policies and actions. Their presence on the front benches signifies their leadership roles within the party and their importance within the broader political landscape.